The electrical system in the R44 is a crucial part of its operation, powering everything from avionics to the engine starter and even the lighting system. Let's break down the key components and features of the R44 electrical system. The R44 is equipped with a 24-volt DC or direct current battery. The battery provides power for starting the engine and acts as a backup power source when the alternator is not operating or during emergencies. The battery is typically located in the aircraft's nose or aft compartment, depending on the specific configuration of the helicopter. The primary electrical power source during flight is a 28-volt DC alternator. This alternator is belt-driven by the engine and supplies electrical power to the helicopter system while also charging the batteries. The alternator is automatically regulated to maintain a constant voltage output, ensuring that all electrical systems receive stable power. The electrical power in the R44 is distributed by bus bars. These bus bars act as central points where power from the battery and alternator is distributed to various electrical circuits in the helicopters. There are typically separate bus bars for essential systems, such as avionics, flight instruments, and non-essential systems like lighting and convenience equipment. This setup ensures that critical systems remain powered even if there is a failure in other parts of the electrical system. Circuit breakers protect the electrical system from overloads and short circuits. Each major electrical component or system is connected through a circuit breaker, which can be reset by the pilot if it trips due to an electrical fault. If a circuit breaker trips, indicating a possible overload or fault, the pilot can attempt to reset it. However, if it trips again immediately after resetting, this may indicate a more serious issue, and the system should be left off to avoid further problems. It's worth noting that you may get a question on the exam of how many times can you reset a circuit breaker in flight. Reset it once. If it pops again, don't reset it and continue on to your destination. Or if it's a critical component, go ahead and land immediately or land as soon as possible. It's up to your discretion as a pilot. The starter motor, powered by the battery, is used to crank the engine during startup. Once the engine is running, the alternator takes over as the primary power source. The avionics suite in the R44, which includes communication radios, navigation systems, and GPS, is powered through the electrical system. The avionics typically have their own bus bar, ensuring that they receive consistent power. The helicopter is equipped with internal and external lights, powered by the electrical system. This includes navigation lights, anti-collision lights, strobe lights, landing lights, and instrument panel lighting. The lighting system ensures visibility and compliance with aviation regulations, especially during night operations. The RPM governor, which automatically adjusts the throttle to maintain a constant engine RPM, is electrically powered. The governor plays a crucial role in stabilizing flight by keeping rotor RPMs within safe limits. The low RPM system alerts the pilots if the rotor RPM drops below safe operating levels. It includes a warning light and an audible horn, both powered by an electrical system, ensuring that the pilot is immediately aware of any issues. The R44 is equipped with a voltage and ammeter, which allows the pilots to monitor the electrical system's performance. A voltmeter shows the system voltage, indicating whether the battery and alternator are operating correctly. The ammeter displays the current being drawn from or supplied to the battery, helping the pilots assess the system load. The alternator warning light, labeled ALT, illuminates if there is a failure in the alternator or if the electrical load exceeds the alternator's capacity. If this light comes on during flight, the pilot may need to reduce electrical load and land as soon as possible to prevent battery depletion. If the alternator fails, the helicopter's electrical system will switch to battery power. The pilot must manage the remaining battery power carefully, prioritizing essential systems like communication and navigation. In the event of complete electrical failure, some systems may be powered by a separate independent battery, such as a standby attitude indicator if it is equipped. The R44's electrical system is designed to be reliable and straightforward by providing essential power for all critical flight systems. With a combination of battery and alternator, bus bars, circuit breakers, the system ensures that the helicopter remains operational even if some components fail. Proper understanding and management of the electrical system are crucial for safe and effective operation, especially in complex or emergency situations. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. If you want to learn more about helicopters, I have a free course on getting started with helicopters. I also have a course on how to pay for flight school, and I also have a course on getting your private helicopter license. I'd love to help you out. Links are all down in the description below.